Welcome to Find Home Remedies. Varicose veins can be painful and unsightly. But fortunately, there are natural remedies that can help you. In this video, we'll be discussing 3 effective varicose vein treatments using all natural and powerful herbs. Let's get started. Treatment number 1. Horse chestnut. If you're looking for a natural way to ease the discomfort of varicose veins, you might want to consider horse chestnut. This home remedy has been used for centuries to treat circulatory issues, thanks to its active ingredient, eschine. Research has shown that eschine can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, making it an effective treatment for varicose veins. By strengthening the elastic fibers in the vein wall and improving its tone, horse chestnut can help alleviate the symptoms of varicose veins. Consider trying horse chestnut supplements as a natural and effective home remedy for varicose veins. Treatment number 2. Butcher's broom. If you're looking for a natural way to reduce the pain and inflammation caused by varicose veins, you might want to try butcher's broom, a plant that has been used for centuries as a home remedy for various circulatory issues. Research has shown that its active compound ruscogenins can help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, the 2 key factors in the development of varicose veins. By targeting the inflammation, butcher's broom can help alleviate the pain associated with varicose veins. If you're looking for a natural home remedy for varicose veins, butcher's broom is definitely worth considering. Treatment number 3. Witch hazel. Witch hazel has been used for centuries as a natural skin toner and anti-inflammatory agent, making it an effective treatment for varicose veins. By reducing swelling and inflammation in the veins, witch hazel can help alleviate the discomfort associated with varicose veins. If you're looking for a simple and effective home remedy for varicose veins, consider giving witch hazel a try. If you've enjoyed this video, please click that like button below. Thanks for watching.